Hi, Mike here from SupremeGadgets. Hope you're all having a great day. Now today we're going to have a look at a Fairywill oral irrigator. Now this is a water flosser device. So instead of you using dental floss to clean in between your teeth, to clean out any plaque and that, you can use this and it sends a jet of water into your teeth and gives them a deep clean. So I got this through a recommendation of a dentist. It wasn't this one they recommended as such, it was just getting a water flosser because it'd be quite helpful to cleaning your teeth, sort of cleaning them better than a normal toothbrush would do. So let's have a look around the box. This came from Amazon, so it says low noise, powerful pulsation, and then intelligent control design. I mean, it looks like it runs Android for some reason, but who knows that. So it's got my normal pulse, soft, it's travel 360. It's all the buzzwords attached to it. It's got waterproof design, 0.6mm ultrafine water flow, low noise, ion battery, full charge with 4 hours, and it's got 150ml large tank capacity. So that's the box. So let's actually have a look at the device itself. So this is the water flosser itself. On top here we've got the little jet, and this comes with 2 of these. So if I can pull it out, it takes a bit of, it's not easy to pull out actually. There you go. Sprayed water everywhere. So that is the nozzle for the flosser. You pop that into there, and then you can turn it on. So you've got mode, so you can either have it on soft, massage, or normal clean, which is the sort of more high power one. And then you turn it on with that. You put that in your mouth, right near your teeth, turn it on, and it jets water through it. So it is actually very useful, very good. I've tried it myself, and once you've got used to it, you can actually feel it cleaning between your teeth. This is where the water goes. So you've got a little spout there. Your water tank is there. And then if I can see through the viewfinder, put that back into there like so. Here is where you charge. It is a bit tricky to pull out, probably because it's waterproof. You've got a little charging port there, and in actual fact it's USB powered. So you plug that in to there, and then plug it into a USB. There's no wall adapter comes with it, it's just this USB cable. But at least it's better to charge it up than say using a shaver charger. Couldn't think of the name then. The shaver chargers, which are a bit of a fiddly to do sometimes. So that's the actual flosser itself. You get an extra one of these jets. So you can use it, 2 people can use it, say. You get an instruction book with it, just explaining the instructions, obviously quite a useful instruction book. And a warranty card, which is quite fancy for a warranty card, but you do get a year's warranty with it. And I believe you also can get, where does it say it? It's somewhere 6 months club membership, more than 6 months warranty. So yeah, but yes, it's quite cheap on Amazon. I got this for, it was £25, and I got a discount. I think it was a 10% discount. Sorry, £20. Sorry, I paid for this. You could get ones that are dearer. This one cost £20, and I got I think it was a 10 or 20% discount on top of that you could apply. So yeah, it's well worth a try. If you don't like flossing like I don't, then it's certainly an improvement. And yeah, you will probably get a bit of mouth sores to start with because it's obviously really powerful. But once you've got used to that, it'll be fine. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.